So I've hit a new problem, but I don't know if I've explained it to folks yet. I came out this morning, right? And I noticed the car was beeping on the inside. I mean, I haven't turned on this car in over a few weeks. I normally turn on every week, right? But I haven't. And so what I did was I just unplugged the battery just so that way it just stops beeping, right? So as you can hear, well, it made one big beep and then it stopped. But for some reason, all night long, I guess, it was just beeping. I came out this morning throwing out the trash and I heard it. So I unplugged it. The question for you all is have you experienced it where you leave the car alone and then the car just beeps? If it's something you know, do share because I'm intrigued. I'll figure it out. I just don't know what it is.